Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Star. I hope that you guys are all doing well. So today I have a Amazon review of the headphones that I ordered. I ordered a pair that came in, and then that pair was not, I'll go over it. I have the two pairs right in front of me, and I'm going to go ahead and go over this. But I don't know if I'll kind of backpedal for a second. I bought some headphones at Target, and I'll try to include that video at the back of this video. But I bought some headphones at Target for $10. They're the wireless Bluetooth headphones, and they were beautiful mint green, or like a blue color, green color, like almost like the mason jars I have here behind me. And because I had the, my husband had ordered me the actual earbuds, you know, the kind that go into your ears with, and I just don't like that feeling of, that them being, you know, them actually stuck in your ears. I just don't like that feeling. I mean, they work, and they're from Amazon, and those were fine. And I use those for my trip to Hawaii. But I was at Target the other day. That's what, sorry, I'm trying to tell you the story. I don't want to get too sidetracked there, but, so I was like, you know what? I want to get an actual pair of headphones that, you know, like actually go over your ears because they're more comfortable. So I picked up the $10 pair. Well, I came home and, you know, we opened them up and there was a rattle so inside the earphone. So something was loose, probably during manufacturing or whatever, but it was broken. It still worked and the sound was okay. It wasn't a bad sound. It wasn't amazing, but I was like, I don't want to keep these for $10 because this rattling, this could cause this to stop working. And, you know, I would walk up and down the stairs, and if I turned my head a certain way, I'd hear the rattle. Like it was almost like a ball was in there rolling around. So anyway, I returned those earphones, and honestly, the earphone thing that goes over your ear, like the cup, I want to call it, was small too on these headphones I bought at Target. So they're like not, I feel like they're almost for kid sizes, even though they're adult ones. I just feel like they were more meant for kids. So, we try, so then my husband is very tech savvy. I am not, I am not tech savvy at all. I know how to use a computer and that kind of thing. But when it comes to like knowing, you know, megabytes and trilobytes and, you know, quadruple the bytes and all that with computers and stuff. I don't even know any of that. Nothing like that. But, my husband is very tech savvy, which is awesome. So we're like a, you know, good like balance, him and I. So, so he picked me up, or he ordered these. So I want to go ahead and review these two headphones. So I'll tell you why I am sending one back. So I got these in the mail about 2 days ago. Okay. So these are the MK. And that's funny because I was like, MK. Well, they're MK. They're called MK. So these have amazing reviews on Amazon, and they have like over 500, almost 5 stars. And so, and they're beautiful. I mean, the color is like a rose gold. They're so pretty. These are $25.99 on Amazon right now. And so, you know, I was like, oh, these are gorgeous, you know, and like I said, the reviews were really good. Somebody had said after 5 weeks it stopped working, these. But, you know, I was like, I'm going to give these a try, right? So I'm going to go ahead and show you what they look like really quick, how beautiful they are. They're really just very beautiful to look at. But here's the thing. When I show you, I'm going to show you the difference between the ones that I'm keeping that I just got yesterday evening. Versus these. So this is how they came. So they're really nice. They're foldable up, which is wonderful. They just open up like this, and they're adjustable just like that. And they have the wireless, and you know, they have their logo on each side, and they're just really cute, like really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and try them on. They're super fashionable, like the color, super cute, right? Like I like that look of like this. It's like very, pretty headphones. Now, and they're wireless, and I'll turn them on for you so you can see they light up. So they light up. I'll show you the blue light, and it has volume, and it has, it can take, I think this one can take phone calls. I can't remember now, but this has a, volume button on it. It also I think it has volume. I know you can go back and forth with change channels with this. You know, like you can skip the song if you don't like the song that's on. But and it has, you know, I think this one can take phone calls. I'm not sure, but that wasn't important to me when I got the earphones. What I wanted it was for music, and it's also wireless. So, but when I put them on, you know, it sounded very, I want to say grainy. They're not bad headphones. Okay. But when I compared the difference to these, which I'm about to show you, there was a huge difference. And so, I'm going to go ahead and show you a little bit more. These are not made as well as these two. I'm going to show you the headphones. And I just want to point out a couple things. So this is made of like a plastic, this piece right here, where this is going to be made of metal. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the other one out now and show you. Now these again are beautiful, beautiful looking, beautiful. I mean, they almost look like, you know, it could be a piece of art. I mean, they're beautiful. But the sound quality is like grainy. It's like, oh, when I put them on, I'm like, no, I can't. You know, they were a step up from the Target ones. Okay. But I was just like, I don't know. I just don't know if I can get used to this. So they're not bad. Okay. I don't want to say they're horrible. But when I got these for $10 more, I just noticed a difference, a huge difference. So I'll go ahead and show you these. So these are made by Tribit, and they come in a carrying case as well, just like this, just like the MK ones. And they are, you know, I wish they came in a fashion color. I don't believe they do. My husband ordered these for me. These were $10 more, $15 more. These are $39.99 on Amazon. These were $25.99. So I wish that these came in fashion colors, but that's okay because you know, for the price, I mean, for what it is, they work really well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. So you unzip it and it opens up like that. And when we got them, it was covered, I think it was covered in plastic, just like, I think these were covered. I have the rest of the packaging. I'm going to return these to Amazon because they're just not what I want them to be, you know. So anyway, they come folded like this, which is great for like traveling, you know, like they fold up like that. And I also want to say I like that they're in a case because I feel like they stay more sanitary in here. It zips up just like the pink one. And it comes with a cable that you can plug into your computer or your cell phone, I believe. Again, I'm not super tech savvy, but that way if your battery, needs charging, you have availability, to use it. And then also it actually has the charging cable for it. And so, what was I going to say? So it also has a user manual right here, and it charges, I think it's 4 hours to charge. It can take up to, I think it takes 4 hours to charge, and then it can last not charged up to 40 hours. I'm like, what? So, cause that helps me because, you know, it's hard to keep things charged continuing. Like my cell phone is always like on half battery life because I never charge that thing, you know. It's just, you know, we have a busy life, right? So this is nice that it's not needing to be charged that much. So, okay. So I want to show you. So it folds open like this. Now I want to show you the difference between the two. So I wish that you guys could feel the difference in weight. This is a lot heavier. So some people may not like if it's super, super heavy. It's not like my head is being weighed down when I'm wearing it, but it's heavier. This is very lightweight because it's mostly made of plastic. This has got, so here's the side. This is the design on the side. And it has, it says Tribit. So it's made by Tribit again. I don't know if I mentioned that. And I'm going to go ahead and leave my, the Amazon link below in my description box, okay, to this. So the description, the information on this on Amazon, the link to it will be in my description box. So this has, so like right here's the power button right here on the side. This has a volume button on this side. And then again, it's got here's the difference. This is almost like a metal. This is a metal. Like I want to say not steel, but metal. And this is plastic. So that's a lot sturdier. And it says right and left. It actually tells you on this left and right, there's a little note in there that says L and then R for right. I don't think this one has that. I don't think it has that. No, it does. It does. Okay. But I want to say that the sound in here, and even says, that's cute, on the inside it says L and R on the actual inside of the cup. Now, I want to say that these sound really, really good. So for the difference in cost, for almost $15 more, you're going to get, in my opinion, this is just my opinion, it's a lot clearer. You know, I've been wearing these around the house because I got them yesterday. So I've been cleaning with them on. I have been, you know, going room to room to room, and the sound is really, really good. And I like that because I'm not stuck on a cable, you know. I just really like it because I love to listen to music a lot. I love music. Music is very therapeutic for me. I love music. So, and by the way, if you're wondering what kind of music I listen to all types of music, like from Broadway to country music to it's just everything. I listen to everything. I listen to I really like Sia. I like pop music. I like classical music. I just everything. I love music. So anyway, like I said, I really like a lot of music. You know what? I'm going to tell you another artist I really like is Olafur Arnolds. I think his name is Olafur. It's like Olafur, something like that, Arnolds. And he is all basically instrumental. He's got some beautiful music. So if you ever wanted to try another new musician out, his music is so beautiful. Olafur, it's Olafur, like and then Arnolds. So, but yeah, so I like all types of music. And anyway, so it's very therapeutic for me, like I'm saying. And so I wear these, like I wore these tonight doing the dishes. I wore these doing the laundry. And by the way, I have to tell you what I did doing the laundry tonight. Oh my gosh. So I'm wearing these doing the laundry in my own world because I'm in my own little world wearing these. And because it does do that, you know, music kind of takes you to another place, right? And so I had my Downy laundry, what's it called? You know, the blue bottle, the fabric softener, okay? It didn't have the lid on it. And so I'm just like doing my thing, you know, putting the laundry in there, putting the soap in the dispenser. And then the Downy, the fabric softener bottle just fell right over onto the ground and like pulled like all over my feet. Like I got like the whole floor was covered with laundry softener, like all blue laundry softener all over the floor. And that stuff is slippery like oil. It was on my feet. I'm like, oh, Sarah, why did you do this? So I had to like take a towel. It was just a mess to pick up, a real huge mess. So I'm like, how did I do that? I just wasted all that. And fabric softener is expensive. So I'm like, man. So anyway, that was kind of like what I did tonight. And I'm like, why did I have to do that? But it's okay. It's all picked up and everything. But, you know, accidents happen like that. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys these and show you my opinion because, like I said, I started with the Target ones for $10. Then I got these for $25.99. And then these are $39.99. I just feel, like I said, these are really nice. They have adjustable headbands. This is more cushioned than this here. This is not as cushioned. They're heavier. This pair is heavier. This has got, like I said, more cushion up here. And these, I'll try them on for you too. I don't know if I tried them on. So this is how they look. And they really, even this part is softer. Like this part that goes over your ear is softer. These aren't bad. Like these aren't bad. Okay. Like I could wear these. Okay. I could get used to these, I think, probably if I didn't have these. But I feel like it just sounded like the clarity of the music was like a little bit tinny, not echoey, but and grainy. It was like a grainier sound. Okay, these are more crisp and just they sound great. And like I said, so these are the ones I'm going to keep. And I just wanted to get on here and show you what I got. And because I know that I mentioned in a couple of videos ago that I will show you when I get my new earphones in. And yeah, I just feel like these are the winner. And I'm going to just keep these here. And like I said, I'll continue to rock out in these. And like I said, I just wanted to show you again my review of these. Because like I said, I don't have a lot of, does that look cool like that, guys? I don't have a lot of knowledge about, like I said, tech stuff, but I feel like this is going to I will get a lot of use out of these. And it just feels so nice to just be in your own space with these on when I'm wearing them, as opposed to those earbuds that go like right in your ear. I just feel like that does not cancel out as much noise and sound, you know, when you're wearing those little earbuds as these do. So anyway, overall, I'm very happy with the Tribit, and I wanted to show you what it is and give you a little tour of these. And like I said, I just wanted to hop on here because you know, I went from the Target ones all the way up to here. It's just about trial and error, trying different things out that work for you. And I just wanted to show you what I got. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed my Amazon haul, or yeah, it's a haul, my Amazon review, Amazon haul. And I hope that you guys are doing really, really well. And thank you guys so much for being here. And I want to put these on, but then I have to like talk louder because they're kind of, they do cancel a little bit of the noise out. The noise reduction, I think they're called, not noise canceling. But yeah, I wanted to say thank you guys so much for being here and for all your love and support. And I can't wait to be back with my next haul. Actually, you know what? I am going to be back very soon with my next haul. I have a Steinmart video to do. I'm going to go ahead and record next after this. So you'll be seeing me in the same outfit. Because I have my Steinmart haul that I want to show you, and I'm like super excited to get that up because I got that a few days ago and from the Memorial Day weekend sale. So I want to go ahead and show you that too. So look out for that Steinmart video. I'll be posting that shortly too. But yeah, thank you again so much for being here, you guys. And again, thank you for all your support, and I'll see you soon with my next haul. All right, guys, take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.